Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel again, Intelligent Learners. In this video we have to find out, we are doing question number 2 in which we have to find out the value of a. What the question is, whatever the expansion you have, that is 3 plus ax raised to the power 9. So first we have to find out the coefficient of x square and coefficient of x cube. Whenever we are talking about the coefficients, it means we have to use the general term formula, which is TR plus 1 is equals to NCR, a raised to the power n minus r and b raised to the power r. That formula we have to use. Now, which term will give you x square and x cube, that you have to see from the value of r, right? So let's start with the question, everyone. So in this question, we have to find out the value of a. And what is the question? That the coefficient of x square and x cube in the expansion of this, they are equal. Okay, so this is the question. So basically, what is the expansion? That is, just a second, I will just change the color. So 3 plus ax raised to the power 9. This is the expansion, and we have to find out the coefficient of x square and x cube, right? So let's move to the next page, and their coefficients are equal basically, right? So now see, whenever we are talking about the coefficients, we have to use the general term formula, which is TR plus 1, that is equals to NCR, a raised to the power n minus r and b raised to the power r, right? Now, because we are talking about the coefficient of x square first, x square. So x square will come, first see, what is a? A is 3 and b is ax. Now b, you will get, when you will put ax in the place of b, x square will come when r is equals to 2, right? Because if I am putting in this, in the place of b, ax, so r will be 2 when, so that this, when I will open the bracket, it will become like this, right? So it means I'm talking about when r is equals to 2. So I'm putting r is equals to 2 in first equation. So it will become 3. N is what? N is the final power that you have in the question. So n 9c2, what is a? 3 raised to the power 9 minus 2 and ax raised to the power 2. So T3 is equals to, let's solve 9c2. So 9c2 will get solved, factorial 9 divided by 2 factorial multiply 9 minus 2, that is 7 factorial. So I will open 9 till 7. So 9 times 8 times 7 factorial. So 2 factorial means 2 times 1, which is 2 only, and 7 factorial. 7 factorial cancel out with 7 factorial. So 2 times 4 is 8, 9 times 4 is 36. So 36 multiply 3 raised to the power 7 times a square x square, right? So this is the first equation I got. First equation. Now let's move towards the second equation, where I have to find out the coefficient of x cube. Now I will get x cube when r is equals to 3. Okay. So let's put r is equals to 3. So r is equals to 3. So it will become T4, because 3 plus 1 is 4 in this, equals to 9c3. 3 raised to the power 9 minus 3 and ax raised to the power 3. So let's solve it here, because I don't have the page. Okay, let me rub it values. Let me rub something which is not required, so that I can get a proper page. Okay, here I will do. So let's do it. So T4, that is equals to 9c3. How I will open 9c3? That is 9 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is 6 factorial. So I will open this 9 factorial till 6 to cancel out the 6. So 7 and 6 factorial. 3 factorial means 3 times 2 times 1. That is 3 times 2 times 1 times 6 factorial. They will cancel out. 9 multiply 2, 9 times 3 times 3 is 9, and 2 times 4 is 8. So 3 times 4 times 7. So 3 times 4 is 12, and 12 times 7. 12 multiplies 7 is 84. So let me put the value here. So T4, that is equals to 84 times 3 raised to the power 6, because 9 minus 3 is 6. A cube multiply x cube. I'm just opening the bracket, right? Now they are given that the coefficients of x square and x cube, they are equal, right? The coefficients, they are equal. So what is the coefficient of x? What is the coefficient of x square? Whatever you have the value in multiplication with x square, that is the coefficient. It means, according to the question, coefficient of x square means whatever you have in multiplication with x square, that is 36 times 3 raised to the power 7 times a raised to the power 2, equals to the coefficient of x cubed. So whatever you have in multiplication with this, that is 84 times 3 raised to the power 6 times a raised to the power 3. Now let's solve it. So 3 raised to the power 6 cancel out with 3 raised to the power 7. So 7 minus 6 is 1. So left with 3 only. A raised to the power 2 cancel out with a raised to the power 3. Only a is left. So 36 times 3, 84 I am taking in the left, and a is left in the right hand side. Now let's solve it. So 3, 2, 6, 3, 8, 24. So 3, 1, 3, 2, and it is not cancelled out with 3. So 36 over 28 is left. So it will get 36 is not, I'm not cancelling it with 3. I'm just cancelling it with 2. So let me change the color. So 2 times 1, 2, 8, and 2, 1, 4. 2, 9, and 2 times 7. So A is 9 over 7. The value of A is 9 over 7, right? So yes, thank you. Thank you, everyone.